Hi there.
Hello, Pe.
Hey, can you tell me more about you?
First, my name is Lynn. I'm from Philippines and I studied nursing in Adventist University of the Philippines.
Okay, and what about your work experience, Lynn?
My work experience before coming here in Thailand, it was a short time after my graduation, so I worked part-time as a proofreader in one of the publishing company in the Philippines. And I haven't found work in the hospital yet, so I come to Thailand to work.
Mm-hmm. I know in our countries, like your country and my countries, have similarity of the language.
Mm-hmm.
Like our official language is not in English.
Yes.
So I have some question for you.
Okay.
Do you think study nursing in English will give you more advantage?
Yeah, I think it has more advantage if we study nursing in English. Like like most of the terminologies in nursing is in English. So if we studied everything in English, it's much easier. And if you studied nursing in English, you can find work all over the world, wherever you want, because the language around the world is English.
Okay, so since you are here in Thailand working as an international patient coordinator here, I would like to know how different working in Thailand and in Philippines.
In the Philippines, I have my license and I can practice nursing, while here in Thailand, I don't have one in Thai license. I don't have Thai license, so I cannot practice the nursing profession, but I can do the basic one, like assisting new nurses in doing basic needs of the patient.
Mhm.
Like that.
So, you're now working in an international hospital. So I do have one question that I would like to ask you. So this question will help to encourage my junior that they will graduate soon, like to expect like what to see. So the question is, what do you think working with me as a bilingual graduate nurse?
Okay, working with you as a bilingual nurse was a great.
Thank you.
Because when I first come here in BNH, I find it hard to communicate with other colleagues because some of them can understand English, yes, but in terms of explaining to me, they find it hard because it takes long time to process the English words so that they can explain it to me. But with you, while working with you, every time I have question, you can explain it very well, and I can see that when you're working with an international patient, like you can explain very well to the patients what about their disease, about their medications and everything like that. So being a bilingual nurse, working with you was a great one.
Okay, so do you have anything like to tell my junior here, like don't be afraid learning in English, something like that?
Yeah, of course, English is fun.
And you was an English teacher before.
I teach English before, and so many students are afraid of learning English. They don't like it. But you know, when you learn English, especially nursing, it would be very easy for you to communicate with doctors, with nurses in terms of terminologies. It's much easier.
Okay, thank you very much. And this is Lynn. Hello.
Hello everyone.
Hi. Can you tell me more about you?
Okay, my name is Suvimon, so you can call me Il. I'm the head of ICU.
Okay, PU, today I would like to ask you about your perspective. The audience here, they are currently nursing student in bilingual program at Lansing University.
Wow.
So they are my juniors.
Okay.
I have some questions for you. Let's begin with first question.
Okay.
Okay, what do you think study nursing in English will give you more advantage or not?
It's very advantage because English is the universal language. If you can communicate in English, you will get more opportunities and you can have the chance to get a good job or a new job. It's very good for you. And nowadays, all the textbooks and everything like research, all of the things they're from abroad. If you understand English, you can translate them and try to understand by yourself. And if you cannot able to understand English, so you have to take time to translate them by the dictionary, and you have to waiting someone to translate for you. It's very good if you know English very well.
Okay. In the employer perspective, okay, what will you get from, if you hiring bilingual nurses?
I think if I have to looking for the one, like I have to interview the one who apply for our hospital, I will looking for the one who have the good grade. I have looking for the one who has the good attitude and also yes, English communication skill, because our patients, they are from all over the world, all around the world, like America, from the UK or from the Australia. So they are the English native speakers. So that's why we have to looking for like the one who can communicate them very well. I don't expect that the one who apply for our hospital have the perfect English, but it has to be like in the communication skill, because I experienced that sometimes I hire the staff who can speak English very little. It has the barrier between the patient and the care provider. But if anyone can speak English very well, it can make the working is more smoothly. Yeah, you can talk with the patient and you can communicate everything very well. So it's more easier than cannot speak English. So that's why English is very important in the international organization.
Okay, Piyu, as now I would like you to encourage my junior by say something to inspire them.
Okay, for study, right?
For study and for the future. Yeah.
Okay, so I think the student life is the best time ever that I had before, because I have the time to gain more experience that I never do that. I have to enjoy with my life, with my friends and with my family as well. So during this time for the student life, I would ask you to enjoy the life, because during this time is the best time for you. You can gain more experience and you have to learn the new thing by yourself sometimes. And I think during this time for 4 years is the very important time for you. You have to keep hard working for your study. You have to concentrate with your family. You have to concentrate, or you have to enjoy with your friends. Once you graduated from the college and you have to pay more attention with the work, you have no time to gain more experience, or you can get more any new experience, but it's very slowly because of you have to pay attention with your work, right? So during this time as the student, I would ask you again about, please pay attention with your.
Hello you guys, thank you for watching. I hope this video will help you with something, help you inspiring, help you encouraging, and I hope English is fun. Don't worry about it. Most of the time people will worry about English, so don't worry about it. Just keep practice and practice. Once when you have English language or another language, it will give you more opportunities, because English is a universal language and the other language will help you to connect the world. So don't be scared and have fun with your life. Thank you.